Moringa magic typically refers to the impressive benefits and results of using Moringa, a nutrient-rich plant often called the miracle tree due to its extensive health benefits. When people use Moringa, they commonly experience the following results. 1. Improved nutritional intake. Moringa leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Regular consumption can help fill nutritional gaps in the diet. 2. Increased energy levels. Many users report feeling more energetic and less fatigued. This is often attributed to the high nutrient density of Moringa, which can support overall vitality. 3. Enhanced immune function. Moringa has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections and diseases. 4. Better digestive health. The fiber content in Moringa can aid digestion and improve gut health, potentially reducing symptoms of constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. 5. Improved skin health. Moringa's antioxidant properties are beneficial for skin health, potentially helping to improve complexion, reduce wrinkles, and fight signs of aging. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that Moringa can help lower blood sugar levels, which might be beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 7. Reduced inflammation. The anti-inflammatory compounds in Moringa may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis. 8. Cholesterol reduction. Moringa may help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, which can contribute to better cardiovascular health. Overall, the results from using Moringa can vary from person to person, but many find it a valuable addition to their health regimen due to its wide range of potential benefits.